Good morning, Tim and 7 KOM here. We are headed up to Red Mountain.
NYL.
NYL is here. And we camped up here in Gifford Pinchot National Forest. Had kind of a lazy morning, but now we're getting to it. FYI, the gate to Red Mountain is closed. I think, Roscoe, some snow. Yeah. Yep. This is where we live now. UCQ.
Summit to summit, summit to summit.
Summit to summit, WJ7WJ. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Glad to get you. I thought you were going to be out earlier, but I'm glad we met up on this one.
Yeah, roger that. We kind of had a slow morning. We had a dog wake us up to go to the bathroom at 1 in the morning, so just kind of slept in.
Yeah, it's good to be flexible. I've been late all day because I took a wrong turn. Are you still going to do Big Butte?
Yeah, that's what we were thinking. You were up there this morning, right?
Yeah, last time I was up there was a bad push through the trees, and it still is, but I got sidetracked.
All right, we're gonna get going on HF here. Just got a few more 2-meter contacts, but end-fed random wires set up with the KX2, and today I am using the K6 ARK. It's a little 3D printed paddle, very lightweight. Got some magnets on the bottom, little hex wrench for adjustments, and let's give it a try. All right, we're running the KX2 at 5 watts here. See if we can make some contacts. Five, 7. All right, 5-star review for this little paddle here. Nice and lightweight, really nice action on it. All right, Roscoe and the YL are aboard, so we're going to pack up here and head down back to the car and hopefully hit one more summit today.